Alright, I'm going to start OBS now. Yes. So this is how it's going to be displayed for everyone to see on the screen. It's really just the regular standard OBS application. Yes, that's right. So now I'll go ahead and start the download process for it. Okay, OBS, and then we'll continue from there. Yes, that's absolutely right. Alright. So there are two things I need to show you. Okay, yes, take a look at this particular one here, and just make sure that it's actually correct. Alright, you can download it using this link. It's from GitHub. You see, everything is included right here. So there are a few different things to consider here, but after I've gone ahead and confirmed the 1.3.7 version, right, I'll proceed to download that specific zip file. Alright, and then once that download is complete, I'll open it up. So this is the way it's ended up looking, isn't it? Well, actually this is the official page, and you can navigate to it from right here. You'll see the official page just like this, and if you take a look here, the instructions are clearly laid out, and if you click this button, you'll be able to download it. Therefore, this is indeed the official method for downloading. Okay. Alright, so I've got this file here, and I'm going to go ahead and install it for you. First, we'll take care of this step, and then we'll move on to the next one, because if you don't do this part first, you might run into some errors, so please make sure you take care of this. You'll need to click unblock here, okay? After that, you proceed to extract all, just like this. Yes, extract. You really need to extract this properly, okay? Otherwise, it'll just break. And then in this folder, OBS background remover, you'll find the main plugin files and things like that. Regarding that more in the data, well, it's quite varied. Yes, it's very diverse. This is also quite varied, you see. Indeed, very varied. This covers many things. Yes, that's the situation. Okay, so there's an install plugin right here, and it's set up so you should follow the instructions exactly as they're written. Alright, so on this PC, the local disk, and then I need to find the program files. Where exactly was that located again? Oh, wait, I remember now, it's OBS Studio. I believe there's a plugin folder around here, but if you place anything in this specific location, it will cause problems. You absolutely must not put anything here. It's strictly forbidden. While it might seem possible to place them in areas like this, please do not put them here under any circumstances. This particular spot is in fact designated solely for the core OBS applications on plugins. Therefore, any plugins you've downloaded independently should never ever be placed in this folder. It will completely break your setup. Don't put it there, it'll break. Now, where's the right place to put it? This PC's this one. No, that's not it. This PC's this one. Wait, it's not there. Now, if you're asking where the best place to be is, or where you should go, it's definitely right here. If you type it in like this, you'll actually find this specific folder. It's the one called program data, and then inside that, there's a folder named OBS Studio. And within that, yes, another folder. Hold on a second. It's for things like plugins. Just a moment. Okay, so right here, yes, where's the new option? There it is. So with this, for the plugin, I'll create a folder this way, right? And then the one I just opened, is it this one? Yes, this one. Okay, so I'll take this file and I'll place it right here. Oh, no, that's not exactly what I meant. You just copy this one, and paste it right here, and with that, the installation is complete. It's become so simple now. No admin rights are necessary. I'll start OBS. Okay, will it start? Let's see. I need to do it. Oh, it's done. Okay. Okay, so with this, if you take a look at the plugin manager, yes, you'll see it appearing right here. If it's showing up like this, then that means it has been successfully installed, right? So how do you remove the background? For Windows, you need to add this video capture device. Yes, this is the camera that I'm personally using. Alright, so then I'll just need to adjust this particular area here, just a little bit. Oh, could you please just hold on for a brief moment, if you don't mind? Okay, 1980, auto select. Any video format. Huh? The color space setting is currently at 69. The color range is showing as limited, and the video format is buffering auto detect. Is this how it goes? Yes, this is how it goes. With this, is it all properly arranged? It really needs to be arranged, because with this setting it will become full HD. You see, I'll bring up the filter. Yes, I'll bring up the filter now. So it's looking something like this, right? I'll add this in. There's a source pack random bar available. This is okay. I really think it's incredibly heavy. It's heavy, everything feels so heavy. Well, alright, it's finally loaded. It's a bit slow because I'm using a rather underpowered machine, but this is what it looks like. There are various things around here, but honestly there's no real difference. You can just pass through it quite normally with this. Yeah, there's really nothing particularly special about it. Just to let you know, this actually comes with a movement function. Yes, it has a movement function. Alright, yes, we can definitely get this operational for you. I'm here to help with that. Yes, so if something isn't quite working as expected, it's always a very good idea to check the system logs. Looking through this particular section here usually reveals a lot of useful information. Okay, so among these options here are, like this particular section, you'll see things written like OBS background removal, and those can be quite useful. They're really helpful for figuring out exactly what's going on and what the potential problem might be. So please do take a look at them. And then for errors, bug reports, or if you need any support, it's this one right here. Upload current log file, yes, and privacy policy. I really want you to take the time to read this thoroughly if you could. So in this manner, yes, I can certainly send it over to you. And this, yes, this is precisely what we need to do. This is the plan. Yes, that's absolutely right. Yeah, it's pretty much something like this. It's something like this, you see. Okay, the crash report is right here. Yes, the crash report is located here. This is where you'll find it. Right, just like this. You don't have to do it right now, but this is also a feature that's available. Okay? So if you could send us those logs, we'll be able to check and analyze them thoroughly here on our end. So please send us all of them. There's an upload function available right here. You see, yes, the upload function is definitely available. Please use that to send them over. And please don't do anything strange or unexpected. We're really asking you. Okay, so that's the situation. Thank you in advance.